Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make letters with your fingers. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over how to make 9 specific letters with your fingers. I'm sure that there's more than 9, but these are the easiest ones that you can learn how to make with your fingers quickly, okay? So let's get into this. The first letter is A. To make an A, you get your 2 fingers like this, your middle finger and index finger, you put them down, and then you use your index finger in your other hand to bring it across like this. That's an A, simple as that, okay? Moving on, the second letter is gonna be O. Very simple. One hand, make a circle, that's your O. Easy as that. Third letter is gonna be C. Extremely simple as well. One hand, curve your fingers, that's your C. I can't tell based on the camera if it's this way or this way, but you get the idea. Figure out which one is a C and get your fingers like that, and that's gonna be your C, okay? The fourth one is L. Very easy. Index finger up, thumb to the side, that's your L. Once again, I can't tell based on the camera which way this is gonna come out, but use the appropriate hand to make an L in the right direction, in the right orientation. Very simple. The fifth one is going to be I. Okay, to make an I, super simple, the easiest one probably. Take your index finger, put it up like that. That's an I, literally that simple, okay? The sixth letter is gonna be E, super simple. Get the palm of your hand, the top of your hand facing outwards, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 3 fingers, bring them out like that. That's your E. Very, very simple. Okay, and once again, I don't know which is the correct direction. I believe it would be this way according to me, but I don't know if the camera's reversing this or flipping this. But whichever hand works, that's gonna be your E. Very simple. The 7th one, V. Super simple. You're gonna get your index and middle fingers and open them up like that. That's your V. Super simple. 8th letter is gonna be U, okay? Curve your hand into a U, just like that. Very simple, that's your U. Last but not least, 9th letter is gonna be T. Index finger pointing up on one hand, index finger across on the other hand, bring them together, that is your T. Very, very simple. That's it, that's how to make letters with your fingers. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.